Number 1. See the links below. Number 2. Number 3. See the links below. Number 4. Number 5.
This is the Avantry HT4186, the Headphone Plus transmitter set for TV. In the video, you'll find these contents. This is what you'll find inside the box. Here's a simple guide on how to operate the headphones, and an overview of the transmitter. To set up, first connect a power source to the transmitter using the USB cable we provided, like this. Once connected, flip the switch to On. This Bluetooth LED should now be flashing blue. Next, turn your headphones on by long pressing the multifunction button for 3 seconds. You'll see its LED light turn on. Give it a few seconds. You should see the Bluetooth icon on the transmitter turn solid blue, and here your device is connected indicating that they've successfully paired. Before connecting anything to your TV, check and see which option your TV supports: optical, auxiliary, or RCA. Any one of the three options will work. First, the optical port. If you have this option, simply connect the transmitter to your TV using the optical cable we provided. You'll see the opt indicator on the transmitter light up. Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure the audio out is set to either digital audio out or external speaker, and that your TV audio format is set to PCM. Next, we'll talk about the auxiliary port. If you have this, it's also simple. Connect the transmitter to your TV using the aux cable that we provided. You should see the AUX indicator on the transmitter light up. Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to see if the TV speaker is set to headset. Finally, we'll talk about the RCA port. For this option, please only use the ports labeled audio out. The other ones will not work. To get going, connect the RCA to aux converter cable that we provided to the auxiliary cable, which is also provided, and then connect your TV to the transmitter using that. You should see the AUX indicator on the transmitter light up. Now, you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure your TV speaker is set to external speaker. To charge the headphones, connect a power source to the headphones charging dock using the USB cable we provided. The LED light will turn red while charging and automatically turn off when it's done. The transmitter also allows you to pair a second pair of headphones simultaneously. To do so, long press the B button for 2 seconds until the Bluetooth LED next to it flashes red and blue. Now put the second pair of headphones you'd like to pair into pairing mode and get it close to the transmitter. Give it a few seconds. Once successfully paired, you'll see the Bluetooth icon turn solid blue. And that's how you use the Aventry HT4186.
See the links below.
Thanks for watching.
Number 6.
It's finally happening. You're becoming a parent. You're getting ready for the adventure of a lifetime. For overwhelming, unconditional love. Tiny fingers and toes. Countless new toys and tools.
What you got here?
And yes, sleepless nights.
Who's not sleeping?
It's true, nothing can fully prepare you for this journey. But when it comes to your baby's sleep, the Nanit Plus camera is all the help you'll need. Nanit is more than just a baby monitor. It's the only system that tracks and analyzes your baby's sleep schedule and patterns. And with Nanit breathing wear, you can see your baby's breathing motion in real time without the need for any electronics touching them. Nanit is your baby's personal sleep coach to help them get the sleep they need for a happy and healthy life.
So good.
And help you get the sleep you need to be a happy and healthy parent.
Hi.
It's peaceful sleep for your baby and peace of mind for you, knowing they're safe and sound. The adventure of a lifetime is just beginning, and you're all going to need your rest. Nanit. Better sleep for all.
Number
symbolizes the power
7.
and progress of human technology, keeping us connected across the globe. And it's got poo-poo on it. Yes, Your phone that you touch all day with your hands and face houses fecal matter, illness-causing germs, and roughly 18 times more bacteria than a public restroom. Because you take it into places like a public restroom, and literally everywhere else. It's basically a third hand that you never wash, which is disgusting. Luckily, phone soap lets you harness the awesome power of UVC light to clean your device and charge it all at once. Phone soap's germicidal UVC lamps completely surround your phone, breaking down the DNA of microorganisms, killing them dead. And it gets in all the nooks and crannies that damaging chemical wipes don't reach. Your phone comes out charged and germ-free, so you can do what you need to do. Minus the doo-doo. Don't get sick. Get phone soap.
See the links below.